Hello, good day everyone. This is Miss Kim again. I'm gonna do unboxing my DJI Pocket 2 combo. I purchased this in JB Hi-Fi and I'm so excited to use because I know that the resolution of this camera is very good, and I can see that they have very nice resolution in this camera. Including of this box are the DJI Pocket 2 camera, camera base, tripod base, protective case, two case bumpers, sticker, wrist wrap, mini control stick, universal port cover, USB-C adapter, lighting adapter, USB-A to USB-C cable, and a quick start guide. So this is all the accessories that you have to get it if you buy a Pocket 2 Creator combo. The DJI Pocket 2 isn't bad for vlogging. It's incredibly affordable and comes with a built-in 3-axis stabilized gimbal to reduce almost all camera shake when recording 4K or FHD video. You can use its screen for live view to monitor yourself and ensure you stay in frame. But the screen is quite small. You can also connect your phone to use a larger screen. Price range of this DJI combo is around $799 where I buy it in JB Hi-Fi, but you can also get cheaper or any store. Any store has different deals, so it's up to you where do you want to buy your new camera. So after showing you the DJI Pocket 2 camera combo, I will show you a little bit quick of a footage of where I'm gonna shoot around my place so that you can see the good resolution of the camera. As you can see, that's all of the accessories if you're gonna buy a DJI Combo Creator.